Hey there, welcome back to the channel. AI is no longer the future. It's happening right now. Artificial intelligence tools are replacing entire teams, automating complex tasks, and even changing the way we search for information online. This is the biggest technology shift since the early days of the internet, and I don't want you to miss it. In this video, I'm going to show you the 8 proven steps you can follow to build a profitable AI-powered business, even if you're starting from zero. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share a free resource to help you earn recurring income with AI affiliate programs. Step 1. Choose the right industry. Before you start, you need to pick an industry that's ready for AI disruption. The biggest mistake people make is chasing shiny new ideas instead of focusing on problems that need solving. Here are 5 industries where AI is already creating big opportunities. Number 1. Logistics and supply chain. Using AI to optimize delivery routes, manage inventory, and predict demand. Number 2. Administrative services, automating invoicing, scheduling, and data management. Number 3. Home services, like plumbing, roofing, and HVAC, where AI can help manage bookings and reduce wasted trips. Number 4. Legal services, contract review, compliance checks, and document drafting with AI assistance. Number 5. Workforce training, AI-powered onboarding assistants that answer employee questions instantly. Step 2. Pick a high-margin business model. High margins mean more profit and more room to grow. Here are 4 AI business models with excellent margins for 2025. AI automation services, around 70% margin, setting up workflows for clients. AI consulting, around 80% margin, providing strategy and implementation advice. AI software, around 90% margin, building once and selling repeatedly. AI digital products, around 95% margin, such as courses, templates, and guides. Step 3. Target high-value customers. It's easier to make $10,000 from one big client than from 100 small ones. To find them, attend or volunteer at industry events. Send highly personalized outreach messages. Offer podcast interviews to connect with decision-makers. Host small online meetups or Zoom calls. Organize networking dinners around an AI theme. Step 4. Build a cash flow-friendly offer. You want to get paid upfront, not months later. Use these tactics. Anchor pricing. Offer a high-priced package so your mid-tier option looks like great value. Scarcity. Limit the number of spots or start dates. Value-added bonuses. Give something extra that solves their next problem. Volume pricing. Reward clients who commit to multi-year deals or multiple licenses. Step 5. Pre-sell before you build. Don't spend months creating something no one wants. Instead, create a prototype or mock-up. Find early adopters who are willing to pay to shape the product. Ask for advice first. It often leads to a sale. Focus on one sales channel and master it before expanding. Step 6. Build your minimum viable product. Launch quickly and avoid overcomplicating things. Use no-code tools like Make, Zapier, or Go High Level. Use AI-assisted coding platforms like Replit or Cursor. Only hire developers when absolutely necessary, and after you've pre-sold your idea. Step 7. Automate delivery. Automation saves you time and keeps customers happy. Automate payments and onboarding. Set up automatic account creation and logins. Use intake forms for client details. Create an AI-powered knowledge base for customer support. Step 8. Decide your end game. Once you're making money, choose one of 3 paths. Sell. Cash out for quick profit. Scale. Keep growing the same business. Stack. Build multiple AI solutions for different problems and industries. This AI wave isn't slowing down. If you want my free guide to the top recurring commission AI affiliate programs, click the first link in the description. Start small, take action, and you could launch your first AI income stream in the next few weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.